So the central magnet is going anti-clockwise. The outer magnets are going clockwise. Spin and counterspin. Just like in this crop picture. Today, I will show you some interesting new physics related to UFO levitation. It has been clear for a while that we need both spin and counterspin to make a UFO fly. Here's a UFO seen by Edwin Furr in Canada in 1974, and part of it was spinning one way, part was spinning another way. Now previously I made magnetic spin and counterspin using these 6-wire coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I wired them up with 3-phase power like a track, a magnetic track, UVW and then another UVW, UVW, UVW in series from a 3-phase power supply. Very simple. And then it turns out when you do that, if you put 4 magnets on top of them like this, all north magnets, and you allow them to spin, the magnets on top will spin anti-clockwise while the rotating magnetic field below will go clockwise. Now I'm going to show you another way of doing it which has never been tried before. We can have 3-wire coils below spinning, say, anti-clockwise to give counterspin, 6-wire coils above spinning clockwise, say, to give positive clockwise spin. So these are being wired now as UUVVWW, just going clockwise there and anti-clockwise there. And this famous crop picture is describing UFOs. They describe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-wire coils in one set, which are these, 3-wire coils in another set, which are these, and there's 2 magnetic rings, one here controlled by the 6, another here controlled by the 3. And these presumably go in different directions. The crop artist guys also told us how to arrange those rings. We put the 3 rings here under these 6 rings, which spin clockwise. 6 clockwise over 3 anti-clockwise. So next I'm going to take these 6-wire coils there, I'm going to put them on top of the 3-wire coils which I've placed here. Now when we turn on the 3-phase power to those 6-wire coils arranged as UUVVWW with 4 North Pole magnets sitting above on a rotor, turn the 3-phase power and you see they'll spin clockwise very nicely. Just like shown in this crop picture here. There's a rotor sitting on top of those 6 magnets which are spinning clockwise. There it is. Let's turn up the power a little bit so you can watch it. That's just 4 magnets. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, now we have clockwise spin from these 6-wire coils and 4 North Pole magnets above. We're halfway there. To complete the story, we've added another big single magnet in the center on this pole, and we'll turn on 3-phase power to those lower coils anti-clockwise from another power supply, and you can see now they spin anti-clockwise. As the magnet is faster, it rises up like a UFO. Saw here, clockwise for the 6-wire coils with the rotor and the 3-wire coils below, and they make something go anti-clockwise and rise up. Now that's the north-south vertical magnet. Let's look at a north-south horizontal magnet. If we look at a magnet in the center, which is magnetized so the north pole is on one side, south pole on the other, so that the field is horizontal rather than above, and we have the anti-clockwise field below from these 3 coils, then you can see it spins anti-clockwise very nicely, but it doesn't rise up. So we have our choice of two different magnets placed there. Both of these are the same. We have 6 wire coils go clockwise above with a rotor and 3 wire coils below go in the opposite direction. Now in order to complete the story, we're going to have these 6 wire coils here, which have a clockwise rotating magnetic field. Make these 8 magnets spin clockwise. NS, 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 NS. It's a little more powerful than 4 Ns. They spin clockwise. And now we have another power supply over here, which will make the central magnet in there spin anti-clockwise. There it is, you see? And we turn the power of that central magnet. And there we go. And the other magnets around it in the other way. So the central magnet is going anti-clockwise. The outer magnets are going clockwise. Spin and counterspin. Just like in this crop picture. Clockwise for the 6 wire coils, counterclockwise for the 3 wire coils in the center. Clockwise outside, driven by these 6 wire coils, anti-clockwise in the center, driven by 3 wire coils below. Spin and counterspin. In summary, by using 3 wire coils below and 6 wire coils above, we can have a rotating magnetic field around the outside of the device at high radius that goes clockwise, another field on the inside of the device near the center which goes anti-clockwise, like 2 cylinders spinning in opposite directions. We'll put magnets on each and we see that one spin clockwise, that spin anti-clockwise, and that seems to simulate quite accurately UFO levitation. Several other crop pictures also show spin and counterspin like used in this device with 6 wire coils clockwise on the top, 3 wire coils anti-clockwise below. For example, these crop pictures near Bishop Sutton, we have 6 wire coils here and some sort of ring inside drawn there, and one set goes, say, clockwise one direction, the outer set, the inside set goes the other direction, and it makes the UFO lift up. Here are another set of very important crop pictures from England in 2012. And here we have 2 rotating magnetic fields, one inside and one outside, and that makes a disc magnet like we had there before lift up. So we have an outside magnetic field going one way, inside magnetic field going the other way, and that causes the central magnet to lift up as if through a ring. So spin and counterspin physics must be very important. We don't know how exactly, but we'll study that next.